Welcome to Phone Breakdown. In this video, we'll compare the Samsung Galaxy A37 and the Nothing Phone 3 Lite. Let's see which one will win in this comparison and find out which one is better. Let's get started. Samsung Galaxy A37 and Nothing Phone 3A Lite both come with a 50-megapixel main camera, offering similar photo resolution. Samsung Galaxy A37 and Nothing Phone 3A Lite both offers ultra-wide and macro lenses. Samsung Galaxy A37 records up to 4K at 30 frames per second, while Nothing Phone 3A Lite adds smoother slow-motion options at 1080p. Samsung Galaxy A37 is powered by the Exynos 1480, while Nothing Phone 3A Lite runs on the Dimensity 7300 Pro. Samsung Galaxy A37 and Nothing Phone 3A Lite both comes with an octa-core CPU, but the Galaxy A37 delivers slightly better overall CPU performance. Samsung Galaxy A37 features the X-Clips 530 GPU, while Nothing Phone 3A Lite uses the Mali G615. Samsung Galaxy A37 has a large display, while Nothing Phone 3A Lite is just slightly bigger. Samsung Galaxy A37 and Nothing Phone 3A Lite both use AMOLED displays for vibrant colors. Both Samsung Galaxy A37 and Nothing Phone 3A Lite deliver sharp, Full HD Plus resolution. Samsung Galaxy A37 and Nothing Phone 3A Lite both support a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung Galaxy A37 gets very bright, but Nothing Phone 3A Lite goes even brighter for outdoor visibility. Samsung Galaxy A37 is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, while Nothing Phone 3A Lite uses Panda Glass. Samsung Galaxy A37 comes with up to 8 gigs of RAM, while Nothing Phone 3A Lite sticks to 8 gigs. Both Samsung Galaxy A37 and Nothing Phone 3A Lite offer storage options up to 256 gigabytes. Samsung Galaxy A37 skips expandable storage, while Nothing Phone 3A Lite supports a microSD card. Samsung Galaxy A37 has a 12-megapixel selfie camera, while Nothing Phone 3A Lite steps up with a 16-megapixel front camera. Samsung Galaxy A37 supports 4K video from the front, while Nothing Phone 3A Lite records at 1080p. Both Samsung Galaxy A37 and Nothing Phone 3A Lite pack a 5000 mAh battery. Samsung Galaxy A37 supports faster 45-watt charging, while Nothing Phone 3A Lite charges at 33 watts. Both Samsung Galaxy A37 and Nothing Phone 3A Lite come with a plastic frame and a glass back. Samsung Galaxy A37 feels slightly slimmer, while Nothing Phone 3A Lite is a bit taller and thicker. Samsung Galaxy A37 feels a little lighter, while Nothing Phone 3A Lite is slightly heavier. Both phones come with stereo speakers for a better audio experience. And as expected in this segment, neither of the two offers a 3.5mm headphone jack. Both have under-display optical fingerprint sensors. Both models come with accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass sensors. Network support is the same on both, with full 5G connectivity. Both phones offer the same Wi-Fi 802.11 connectivity. Finally, both phones come with NFC for contactless payments and connectivity. And that wraps up today's breakdown. Here is the final result of the comparison. Tell us in the comments below which one you think is better and why. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Phone Breakdown, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our latest mobile comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.